Today, explore the 30 sewing and weaving machines, the evolution of textile technology, and discover the innovations that revolutionized textile manufacturing from traditional hand looms to modern automated machines. Introduction. Welcome to LSKSM Vlogs. Today, we explore 30 sewing and weaving machines, the evolution of textile technology, showcasing the inventions that transformed the textile industry. From ancient hand looms and spinning wheels to computerized sewing machines and high-speed weaving systems, discover the innovations that revolutionized fabric production around the world. One. Backstrap loom. One of the oldest portable looms, operated by tension created between the weaver and a fixed object, widely used for weaving traditional textiles with intricate handmade patterns. 2. Warp-weighted loom. An ancient vertical loom where hanging weights keep the warp threads under tension. It was commonly used in Europe and the Mediterranean during ancient times. 3. Draw loom. A historic loom designed to weave highly detailed and complex decorative fabrics. It introduced pattern-controlled weaving, paving the way for modern automated looms. 4. Spinning wheel. A traditional device used to spin fibers into continuous yarn quickly and efficiently. It revolutionized textile production by replacing hand spindle spinning. 5. Flying shuttle. Invented by John Kay in 1733 to speed up the weaving process. It allowed a single weaver to produce wider fabrics much faster than before. 6. Spinning jenny. Invented by James Hargreaves in 1764, enabling multiple spindles to spin simultaneously. It greatly increased yarn production during the Industrial Revolution. 7. Water frame. Invented by Richard Arkwright, this machine used water power to spin strong cotton yarn. It marked the beginning of large-scale factory-based textile manufacturing. 8. Spinning mule. Developed by Samuel Crompton, combining the advantages of the jenny and water frame. It produced fine, strong yarn suitable for high-quality fabrics. 9. Power loom. A mechanized loom powered by steam or electricity for rapid fabric production. It transformed textile manufacturing through large-scale automation. 10. Jacquard loom. Invented by Joseph Marie Jacquard, using punched cards to create intricate designs. It became the foundation for programmable weaving and early computing concepts. 11. Hand loom. A manually operated loom used for producing traditional and artistic fabrics. It remains popular among artisans for handcrafted textiles worldwide. 12. Cotton gin. Invented by Eli Whitney to separate cotton fibers from seeds efficiently. It dramatically increased cotton processing speed and textile production. 13. Roller printing machine. A textile printing machine using engraved rollers for continuous fabric printing. It enabled high-speed production of colorful pattern textiles. 14. Lock stitch sewing machine. Produces strong, durable stitches using 2 interlocking threads. It is the most common sewing machine used for garment construction. 15. Chain stitch sewing machine. Forms a chain-like stitch using 1 or more threads for flexible seams. It is widely used in knitwear and decorative stitching. 16. Overlock, Surga, sewing machine. Cuts, sews, and overcasts fabric edges in a single operation. It creates neat, durable seams commonly used in apparel manufacturing. 17. Embroidery machine. Automates decorative stitching to create detailed embroidery patterns. Modern machines can produce complex multicolor designs with precision. 18. Zigzag sewing machine. Produces zigzag stitches for stretch fabrics, edging, and decorative sewing. It offers greater versatility than a straight stitch machine. 19. Industrial flatbed sewing machine. A high-speed machine designed for continuous industrial garment production. It delivers precision, durability, and consistent stitch quality. 20. Walking foot sewing machine. Uses synchronized upper and lower feed mechanisms for even fabric movement. Ideal for sewing leather, quilts, and multiple thick fabric layers. 21. Buttonhole sewing machine. Automatically stitches uniform buttonholes with high accuracy. It improves speed and consistency in garment manufacturing. 22. Button sewing machine. Designed specifically to attach buttons quickly and securely. It is widely used in mass production clothing factories. 23. Blind stitch sewing machine. Creates nearly invisible hems for professional garment finishing. Commonly used in trousers, skirts, dresses, and formal wear. 24. Cover stitch sewing machine. Produces strong, stretchable seams and professional hems on knit fabrics. It is widely used for t-shirts, sportswear, and active wear. 25. Computerized sewing machine. Equipped with digital controls, programmable stitches, and automatic functions. It offers high precision and versatility for modern sewing applications. 26. Computerized embroidery machine. Uses computer-controlled designs to produce intricate embroidery automatically. It supports custom patterns, logos, and multicolor decorative stitching. 27. Air-jet loom. Uses compressed air to propel the weft yarn through the shed at very high speeds. It is ideal for mass production of lightweight and medium-weight fabrics. 28. Rapier loom. Transfers the weft using flexible or rigid rapiers for accurate weaving. It efficiently handles a wide variety of yarn types and fabric designs. 29. Projectile loom. Uses a small metal projectile to carry the weft across the loom. It is suitable for weaving wide, heavy-duty industrial fabrics with high efficiency. 30. Circular knitting machine. Produces seamless tubular knitted fabrics using rotating needle cylinders. It is widely used for manufacturing t-shirts, socks, sportswear, and hosiery. Conclusion. Thank you for watching this journey through the evolution of textile technology. If you enjoyed learning about these remarkable sewing and weaving machines, please like, share, and subscribe to LSKSM Vlogs for more fascinating videos on engineering, manufacturing, and technological innovations. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. These videos are not only for the current generation. They are a humble effort to preserve knowledge, history, science, and human achievements for future generations. Thank you to everyone who supports and encourages this journey of building a digital library of learning for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the LSKSM Vlogs channel, like, comment, and share it to help pass on knowledge to future generations. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us. G. Sobhanadri Rao, LSKSM Vlogs.